Smooths the surface of hair. Penetrating moisture increases strength and elasticity. Protects hair against damage from blow dryers, flat irons, curling irons and other hot tools. Lowers the risk of future breakage. Paraben-free, made in the USA, for all hair types and textures. Moisturizes brittle hair. Provides shining luster. OK Coconut oil mist has deep moisturizing properties that leaves hair with a shining luster and a soft feel which revives damaged brittle hair. Prevents split ends. Provides shining luster. OK Vitamin E mist prevents split ends and repairs damage caused by heat and chemical treatment. Restores damaged hair. Provides shining luster. OK Argan oil stops the roughness of hair while enhancing elasticity, manageability, shine. Prevents hair loss. Provides shining luster. OK olive oil mist prevents hair loss, nourishes, conditions, and improves the strength of hair. Top reviews from the United States. Vitamin E spray oil. I love this product because it has a nice scent and it sprays on nicely, well spread out and not a small stream. Also light and not heavy on the hair.